Okay, so another quick tip for you guys on Clubhouse slang. No dues room. Oh, yeah. What's going on? I am here giving you some quick tips on how to use Clubhouse. And what we're talking about is no dues room. So, if you check out the last quick tip, I was talking about paying dues. In certain rooms on Clubhouse, you will have to pay dues. But on certain rooms on Clubhouse, you don't have to pay no dues. Ain't that good? Well, either or. You know what I'm saying? Uh, Sometimes the dues are a good thing, and sometimes you don't want to have to come out your wallet. You just want to talk and chat it up, and you don't want to have to. It's like, bro, you gonna have to pay for something that for some gems you already heard before. Although I will say it does feel better when you pay for uncommon information. Uncommon information is always good, which is why I have my channel here while I'm giving you some game on Clubhouse. Now, I give you the game from my heart. This is no dues that you have to pay here. But if you would like to, donate and stuff like that, it is in the description if you want to pay some dues. Okay, so let me stop playing around. This is the thing. Uh, there's great information being passed around on Clubhouse. Really good stuff, right? And you don't necessarily always have to pay dues, but it's not saying that you shouldn't pay dues. There's some good information that people will give you that can save you a lot of time and a lot of heartache and just whatever on Clubhouse. So in your case, it might be in your best interest to pay some dues. But there's a lot of rooms where you can get a lot of great information where you don't have to pay any dues, and you don't have to take it to heart. But what I will say is that soak up as much information as you can. When you have people giving you free game and free information, you want to soak it up and you want to make the most out of all of it. And don't let it fall on deaf ears because you may not hear it again. Sometimes somebody give you the game one time, and if you don't listen for that one time, you either pay, or if you didn't listen, you got to pay to hear it. Ooh, I shouldn't have did that. You got to pay to hear it again. All right, man, we out.